one there. Okay. And next we have Baby Einstein. Seasons Discovery Cards. This is your new one from eBay, isn't it?
Yes.
Cool. Front, side, other side, top, bottom, and back. And we're going to rip that plastic off and see what's inside.
Okay, we better see what's inside.
There's a insert or a little booklet.
So, we might take a look at the discovery cards as well.
A lot of them.
Wow.
You got a lot of discovery cards there, don't you?
Yes, I'm pretty sure
We
they
can
are
go
a
through those
lot of
sometime
them.
together, okay?
Okay, that's a good idea.
There you go, now it fits.
There we go.
Perfect.